After celebrating the cucumber in my previous portrait video, it feels perfectly natural to turn next to tomatoes. Cucumbers and tomatoes, after all, are classic companions in our seasonal salads, both delicious raw or cooked. Yet, while cucumbers are playful and unpredictable, tomatoes have become our garden's dependable summer companions, offering us reliability and abundance year after year. Tomatoes have a reputation among seasoned gardeners for being easy. One workshop instructor even joked that tomatoes are like weeds, able to care for themselves. Well, our experience isn't quite that hands-off, but they certainly reward modest care generously. Over the years, we've grown them everywhere, in raised beds, along the curb, and even in pots, though we've learned they prefer plenty of space for their vigorous roots. Those curbside tomatoes especially have often invited admiring glances and kind words from neighbours. In our garden, tomatoes begin their journey early. Each February, we sow seeds in trays, creating miniature greenhouses to nurture seedlings until March planting. Alongside these intentional plantings, volunteers sprout spontaneously in our beds, bringing delightful uncertainty into the season, because their exact variety remains a mystery until they bear fruit. Our tomato family has grown diverse. Alongside reliable varieties like cherry tomatoes and early girl, we eagerly anticipate our heirloom plants, whose fruits often come in whimsical, unpredictable shapes. Our favourite, though least reliable, is the Golden Sun variety, tiny, luminous fruits bursting with honey-sweet flavour. A tomato plant's journey unfolds quickly, fueled by spring warmth. Its sturdy, slightly fuzzy stems carry leaves resembling small hands, gently curved, with jagged edges, vibrant green, and scented unmistakably earthy when brushed. Soon, clusters of small, star-shaped yellow blossoms appear, signaling the bounty to come. The transformation from flower to fruit is captivating. Each tiny green sphere steadily expands, deepening from pale green to vibrant reds, yellows, oranges, or even purple shades depending on variety. The skin is smooth and glossy, offering a satisfying snap when bitten into. Inside, juicy flesh bursts with flavors both sweet and pleasantly acidic, infinitely superior to any supermarket tomatoes we've known. One reason we became so deeply invested in edible gardening. Nutritionally, tomatoes deliver generously, rich in vitamin C, potassium, and especially lycopene, an antioxidant known for its role in heart health and cancer prevention. They're hydrating, nourishing, and simply delicious, whether enjoyed fresh or cooked into savoury dishes. Our tomato harvests often overflow, sometimes even to neighbours' doorsteps unannounced, as in the particularly prolific summer of 2020. To preserve this abundance, my mum prepares jars of homemade tomato sauce, a versatile staple for noodles, tofu dishes, or the comforting simplicity of tomato scrambled eggs. Smaller fruits we carefully sun-dry, transforming them into chewy snacks. One year, when we accidentally dried them too long, I ground these tough tomatoes into powder, a surprising culinary discovery, perfect for sprinkling vibrant tomato flavor and color onto just about anything. Tomatoes, though relatively easygoing, thrive best with thoughtful care. They require full sunlight, at least 6 hours daily, and consistent watering to maintain healthy growth and fruiting. Rich, well-draining soil is crucial for their vigorous roots. Compost, added annually, helps sustain their generous yields, ensuring they remain productive companions through the long summer days. Of course, tomatoes have their challenges. Summer heat waves approaching 90 degrees Fahrenheit signal the end of their season. often inviting spider mites and disease to stunt growth and halt fruit ripening. Our defense includes vigilant pruning, early planting to outrun peak heat, and occasional organic treatments. But inevitably, when temperatures soar too high, some tomatoes remain stubbornly green and must become compost, a bittersweet ending we accept as part of gardening life. We also stay mindful of horned tomato caterpillars, voracious eaters that feed on tomato leaves with alarming speed. We've had caterpillars consume half a plant overnight. The largest ones we've found measured over 6 inches. They're fascinating creatures, but devastating to tomato plants. Interestingly, tomatoes, though originating from South America, have firmly embedded themselves in global culture, including China, where their vivid colors and round shapes carry welcoming connotations. Traditional Chinese medicine appreciates tomato fruits as cooling, beneficial for digestion, while leaves are considered mildly toxic. Useful reminders of nature's dualities. Every year, as we savor our abundant tomato harvests, we feel gratitude for this plant's reliability. Their dependable presence, flavors, and endless versatility have secured them a special place in our edible garden and in our lives. So here's to the tomato, our garden's steadfast summer treasure. May its fruits continue to nourish us with flavor, beauty, and simple joy. Until next time, happy gardening.